All right, so it is restaurant review time, and I've heard that this place, Coachmans Dinner and Pancake House, had to make sure it said dinner, not diner, Dinner and Pancake House is a good place to eat. So we are here on State Street. Google Coachmans Dinner and Pancake House. Heard it's good. We're gonna go inside, do the normal protocol, ask them what they recommend, and then we will share with you what we think about the food. I think so, yes. Okay, so I've never been here before. What do you recommend? What's your favorite?
Bacon and eggs.
Okay, bacon and eggs then, please.
And how do you like your eggs?
Sunny side, please.
And do you prefer pancakes or toast?
Let's do the pancakes,
Okay.
please. Awesome, thanks. Thank you. Great, thanks, appreciate it.
Of course, anytime.
Thank you.
Yep.
All right, so as you can see, I went with the bacon and eggs, got some pancakes on the side, and we are going to take our very first bite of the potatoes. Very nice and crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside. Very delicious. All right, super full. As you can see, I ate everything, but I'm gonna have one last bite of the pancakes. Look how big and fluffy they are. They're delicious, and so I'm gonna do one last bite. Okay, that's it. Can't do any more. All right, so we just got done eating here at Coachman. You can see it's on 13th South and State Street. Having said that, a couple things I wanted to share, other than the fact that I really enjoyed my meal. The pancakes were big and fluffy. I figured I better go with the pancakes since they have pancake written on their sign in big shining letters. But this is a cash only restaurant, so if you come, definitely bring cash. If you've only got a credit card or a debit card, they do have an ATM machine inside. Luckily I had cash, but I don't always carry cash. So I went with what she recommended, which was the bacon and eggs. And instead of toast, I got pancakes, as I mentioned, which was really good. I really enjoyed the potatoes. The potatoes had a great flavor. Not sure what they seasoned it with, but it was a little bit crispy on the outside, soft in the inside, and had a delicious seasoning flavor. So in my personal opinion, I highly recommend, if you're looking for a breakfast on 13th South and State Street area, come check out Coachman's.